Hello everyone, welcome. So if you're looking for a DeFi platform that automates yield farming, YEARn Finance might have caught your attention. I tested it to see if it's user-friendly, profitable, and safe. So here's my experience. Firstly, ease of use. The interface is minimalist, but beginners might find it confusing at first. Connecting a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet is straightforward. Depositing funds into Vault is easy, but understanding how returns are generated requires some research. After that, earning potential next. So YEARn Finance offers automated yield farming, meaning it optimizes your deposits across protocols for the best results. Some vaults provide stable APYs, while others fluctuate based on market conditions. Returns depend on gas fees and strategy performance. It's great for passive earning, but not risk-free. After that, fees and security. YEARn charges withdrawal fees and performance fee on profits. Smart contracts are audited, but DeFi is always risky, so use only what you can afford to lose. And then my experience in general, I deposited stable coins into a vault, and after a few weeks I saw modest gains. In pros and cons, we have no need for manual farming and optimized returns, but fees can eat into profits and returns aren't guaranteed. So overall, YEARn Finance is a solid DeFi platform if you understand the risks. It's best for long-term, passive DeFi investors rather than day traders. Have you used it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.